Leave the pine cones alone. I know there's something to play with. Come on, leave it alone.
She's like, oh, a little grass and plants.
You got it. No.
Pine cone distraction.
How do you distract the pup? Throw a pine cone. Come on, you got it. You got it. There you go. There you go. Here we go. No, where you go? Can't go that way. Come on.
Tell her. Bring her this way.
It's so hard to remember. What's the name?
Brandy.
Brandy? Come on, Brandy. Come on. Tree? You like the tree? You got it, Brandy. Come on. Where you going? Come on, Brandy. Where are you trying to go?
Oh, she wants to go back to the shade. It's too hot out there.
Come on, Brandy. You wanna sit here? You wanna sit here and chill?
She's like, don't take me back out in the sun. It's too hot.
Yeah, you just wanna sit here and chill.
All right, let's see if we can get her to walk back to the house. Come on, baby. I know it's hot. We have to go back to the house, so it'll be air
Come on,
conditioned.
you got it, Brandy. Come on. Where you going? Hey, no, this way. This way. Come on, this way. You got it. You got it.
We're like,
Up, you got it.
oh, she had to go pee.